I came out here to get a better alternative for my customers. More of a selection, nice colors, nice profiles. I like the product. It looks like it'd be just as easy to put up as vinyl. And vinyl, you get a lot of problems throughout the years with vinyl. Cracks, a little bit of hail, you might have a hole in it, like what's up there. Well, you go around the area and you'll see a lot of houses that have damage from just lawnmowers. Kids playing baseball in the backyard, playing catch, bikes. With this product, you won't see that.